What's up, guys? I was going to show you a quick tip. So whenever you're out here on the job and you've got the end of your ball valve or any of your connections, these plugs won't go into your quick connects. Usually what happens is that right here, there we go, you can see where it's starting to get raised. So it's starting to raise up from the ball bearings actually wearing down on it. So there's a couple quick things that you can do. A lot of times it's easy just to take and just kind of rub it on the concrete. I mean, you can do that and just kind of file it down if you don't have a file. Or if you have a pair of channel locks, like most of us should have on the truck, you can take that and actually just ratchet around the end of that plug and work it back and forth a couple times. It'll file it right off, and then you should be good to go. I'll show you. So you literally just grab it with it, and you can sit there and just work it around the end of that plug a couple times, and it'll smooth out everywhere the ball bearing has actually forced it out. And you can see where it's filed that down now, and it should be able to slip right on, just like that. So there you go, just a little quick tip for you. You're out there on the job, get stuck. Sometimes it's because of the O-ring in the quick connect. If it's not that, look at the plug. Usually it's because the ball bearings have started to kind of just ding up the sides of it, so it doesn't want to go on. So just try that out, works pretty good.